Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to bring an update to us from Bitget Exchange. So if you have an account with Bitget Exchange, I'll be calling out some coins that they will be delisting on the 12th of September. So if you have this coin on your account, kindly go and sell it off now before 12th of September. So they said notice of delisting 14 spot trading PS on 12th September 2025. So they said each digital asset we list is regularly reviewed for quality assurance to ensure it adheres to our platform standards. In addition to the security and stability of the digital assets network, we consider numerous other factors in our evaluation process, including number 1, trading volume and liquidity, team involvement in the project, development of the project, network and smart contract stability, activeness of the community, responsiveness of the project, negligence or unethical conduct. So before exchanges like Bitget or any exchange would list a particular token, that particular project needs to pass through all these things and they have to get it done. So after some times, if the project could not meet up with this criteria again, the exchange will have no option to delist such coins. Now these are the cryptocurrencies. They said in light of recent periodic review, Bitget is delisting a total of 14 trading pairs on 12 September 2025 10 UTC. So these are the following cryptocurrency: Mint/USDT, Pulse/USDT. If you remember last year when we did all these Telegram airdrops, if you remember Pulse, yes. Then we also have Well/USDT, APU/USDT, Creator/USDT, G-Swift/USDT, Memfi/USDT. Memfi was also one of the Telegram airdrop that we actually did last year to this year too. So then we also have Pepecoin/USDT, we have Pirate/USDT, we have VR/USDT, Brick/USDT, NM/USDT, SLF/USDT, and the last one is OIK/USDT. So if you have all these cryptocurrencies on your Bitget account, kindly go and sell them off now. Yes, so you can see users are advised to note that deposit services for delisting pair are now suspended. Withdrawals will remain open for users until 12 December 2025. So they are giving the Bitget users, they are giving them enough time to withdraw their coins. So they are giving Bitget users till 12 December 2025. So anything after 12 December 2025, you won't be able to sell that coin again. You won't be able to get your money again. So make sure you do that from now till 12 September. Then if you can't do that from now to 12 September, make sure you do that between now and 12 December. That is the final deadline for you to sell off those coins. So make sure you do that. And thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. Bye for now.